In Too Deep. Make sure you check him out. New Era Transport. He's hooking me up.
The revolution will be live.
We're almost close. Monmouth Road, we're gonna make a left. Like, it's like 5 minutes. What's that? What's the name of the road? Monmouth Road. Alright, so we're at Shoreline Harley Davidson dealership down here in Long Branch, New Jersey. Alright, so got some good stuff. Interesting, a good amount of people. This parking lot is huge. They need to do bike nights out here, but apparently they just moved into this location. But seeing the Indians, the Boulevards, the R12 RS. Oh, they got vintage over here. That looks pretty cool. Definitely the old school flavor. Looking around. Man, they got some cool. You know, I'll rock one of these. Like for real. Let's see if I zoom out a little bit. Kind of has that Harley Livewire. I wonder what happened to the Livewire electric bike that they were doing. You know what? This is giving shade of my boy. Man, look at the wheel on that. That's some Ghost Rider Johnny Blaze right there. But hopefully the light, I can get a good amount of stuff here. Got that Destroyer Gray. Might even take a look inside. A nice little walk around. Shout out to Harley. I gotta do some test rides on some of these. You know? Shout out to Mikey B. Haven't seen him in a minute. We miss you, brother, on the channel. I definitely, he let me ride his Victory Gunner, and I was open to the idea. Something a little different. Now this looks cool. Me like it. Drive shaft. Make sure it has a TFT display on it and everything too. But nice little lineup here. Like I said, we're at Shoreline Harley Davidson down here in South Jersey. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Man, look at this. That definitely a custom. And as I move under the light, it just, yeah, taking a look at their inventory. Man, they got some really cool stuff in here. Yeah, that I've never seen anything like that. Man, look at this. And when you move around,
It's crazy the camera doesn't do it justice.
Right. Yeah, I know. That's some crazy stuff, man. But you know what? These cruisers, these Harleys, a whole different animal, whole different world, different taste in terms of, you know, getting on twos. But my goodness, some of the it's just the styling. It's like you go to one place and they have their traditional, yeah. So this is the Sportster S. Yeah, I got to sit on one outside. I think it's pretty cool. But Gio, you ever see yourself sitting on one? Wow, this is really nice. But this is kind of where I would fall into. I'm sure. And look at the cans on that, man. But you see, if they had the 109R, it looks similar to this, the Boulevard. I got some guys pulling out. All right. Yeah. That's why I said, all right. Folks, I did an impulse buy. This thing came out nice. Review coming soon. Good stuff. Softest leather I ever put on, man. Nice. All right, folks. We're done. We'll see you on the next one. We're just headed back, right? Are you going to stop by the shop? Yeah. All right. Yeah. We're going to stop at Steve's for a little bit. All right.